Welcome to the AutoPulse NXT Resuscitation System in-service video series. This multi-part series provides detailed information about the AutoPulse NXT mechanical CPR device and its functionality. This series serves as an adjunct to formal training. Please take time to read the user guide available at ZOLL.com. Proper use of the system requires a thorough understanding of the product, appropriate training, and practice. In this module, we review how to safely clean the AutoPulse NXT Resuscitation System after use so that it's ready for the next patient. Before cleaning the surfaces, first remove and dispose of the band. The AutoPulse NXT band is intended for single patient use. To release the band, remove the band guards on each side, then proceed to remove the band by pressing the release away from the yellow line to remove the pin. Refer to Installing and Removing the AutoPulse NXT band for more detailed instructions. Inspect the platform for physical damage, including cracks, tears, and missing or broken pieces. Next, remove the battery from the platform. Check the battery compartment, removing any debris. Check the vent on each side. To clean the platform, first remove any debris from the vent on each side of the platform. Take caution, do not spray any liquid into the vents. Check the guard port on each side. Blow any debris from the band guard ports using compressed air. Do not insert tools or other objects. To clean the surfaces of the system, wipe with either 70% isopropyl alcohol or a chlorine bleach solution of up to 5,000 parts per million. Then, wipe with water. Make sure the platform is dry before storing. Clean the battery connector with a dry cloth or non-conductive brush. Ensure the battery and charger are completely dry before placing the battery into the charger or platform. To clean the battery charger, first unplug it from the wall and remove any lint, dust, or other debris from the bands on the bottom and back. Use a vacuum if necessary. Do not use compressed air, as it may blow dust or lint into the unit and damage the charger's internal fans. The shoulder restraint can be washed with detergent by hand or in a washing machine. Use mild liquid detergent, as dry powder detergent can leave residue on the fabric. We have now reviewed how to clean the AutoPulse NXT Resuscitation System.